Imagine transforming each email into a powerful connection that drives engagement and action. This is your opportunity. With our tool, design and personalize stunning email campaigns that capture your audience's attention effortlessly. Boost your campaigns with advanced features like A/B testing, scheduling, and performance tracking to ensure successful results. Capture new subscribers effortlessly using customizable sign-up forms, either hosted or embedded on your website. Generate eye-catching subject lines and email content in seconds with our AI content assistant perfectly tailored to your needs. Automate your marketing campaigns easily with our no-code visual automation builder, allowing for seamless triggers and actions. Send transactional emails, like order confirmations and welcome messages, automatically, managing recipient expectations effortlessly. Utilize our brand analyzer tool to create templates that seamlessly align with your brand's identity, enhancing your professionalism. Gain insights through our analytics to track the performance of your emails, optimizing future campaigns based on actual data. Experience centralized management of customer interactions with our Conversations feature, ensuring your team stays connected and responsive.